Hey guys, it's Taya Marin and I'm back with this everyday glow foundation routine. This glow is so bomb and you can achieve it in under 20 minutes, so just keep watching to see how I created this look. First I'm going to start off with my Benefit Porefessional Primer and just work that into my skin. My skin is already pre-moisturized and clean. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Matchstick in Sands. I love using this as a foundation. I think most people use it as concealer, but I think it's great as a cream stick foundation. I really like how it just blends into my skin so flawlessly, and you can really kind of build the coverage with it. And I just like to sit it on my skin for a few minutes and really let it warm up so I can blend it in with my round oval brush. By the way, this brush is a Real Techniques brush and I got it from Ulta, and when I tell you this is one of my favorite freaking brushes, I absolutely love this brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. I love the way the Fenty and the Shape Tape Concealer really blend together. I think it gives it a really flawless and seamless look. And then I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and work that into my skin. This is like my everyday glow foundation routine. Like when I tell y'all it takes me maybe 20 minutes if that to finish this look. I mean, even recording this, my footage was like right at 20 minutes. So this look is really good for people on the go or before work, whatever you want to do, but it's great. After I finish blending, I'm just going to give myself a quick spray with my all-nighter spray and let that dry before I go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This time I'm not going to let it really bake. I'm just actually going to press it into my skin. As you can see, it's just really giving me that matte look, and this will help maintain any oil that may come through the foundation throughout the day. Now I'm going back in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, my favorite pencil. My brows are pretty thick naturally, so I really just have to kind of go in and clean them up a little bit. So I use really small brush-like motions, you know, just kind of going in the direction of my natural brow hair just to clean them up and make them just a little bit more full. For me personally, I like to do very light strokes. I think it's easier to build on your brows versus applying it too dark and then, you know, you can't really correct it. But if you don't have naturally, you know, thick brows, you can go ahead and, you know, press as hard as you need to get that desired, you know, darkness and thickness for your brows. Because I want a really natural and clean look, I'm going to go back in with the Fenty Matchstick with an angled brush and just clean up under my brow. I don't really want that super highlighted brow. I want it to match the rest of the foundation on my skin. Now I'm going to go in with the black Opal powder foundation and just press that into my skin with a big fluffy brush. I'm just going in all over my face, especially in the areas where I set with the translucent powder, just to get rid of that white chalky look that it leaves. Now for my contour, I'm just going to go in with the black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder and take a big fluffy brush and just take it along my cheekbones and around my hairline to warm up my face. For a little extra bronze glow, I'm going to go on top of my contour with the MAC bronzer and Give Me Sun and just warm up my face just a little bit on the outer edges of my cheekbones. Now for my blush, I'm going to go in with that bottom blush color in the BH Cosmetics Blush and Contour Palette, and I love this blush. It's so pretty and very subtle, but very pretty. And then for a light highlight, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. As you can see, I have ran through this palette and I need to re-up, but for now, I'm going to use a little bit of scraps that are left and highlight my cheekbones and my nose and the inner corners of my tear ducts. Now I'll give myself a second spray with my Urban Decay and then go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara just to add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes. I do have on lash extensions, but if you are looking for a similar lash look, I always go for some type of wispy lash to get this look. And sorry guys, I do not have the name for this lip pencil, but I think it's the Milani lip liner brand, but have no idea what shade this is. But now I'm going to go in with my MAC Lipstick-Fleshpot. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but I'm going to go on top of it with my Jouer lip topper in St. Tropez to give me that really pretty glowy glossy look. Here's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. This is one of my favorite go-to looks. It's perfect for, you know, a day out, a date, a night out, whatever you want to do. This look is all purpose. So just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Taya Marin Beauty, and I will check y'all later.